What is up, guys? Welcome to a brand new episode, and on this episode we're on a bit of a challenge. We have a budget of 39,000 Indian rupees, and with that we're supposed to build a gaming PC that can A. Run nearly all AAA titles respectfully, B. When I say respectfully, I mean run all AAA titles at Full HD 60 FPS, and C. It's gotta look really fucking good. As in, we are gonna RGB the fuck out of it. So this gotta look good, it's gotta feel good, and it's gotta play good. So can we build a computer that can look good, feel good, and play good in 39,000 rupees? Let's find out.
Tell me where the cash at. Yeah.
So let's look at the specs of this build. I got some parts together that I picked out. I think it's gonna get the job done. So we're going with the AMD 1200 Ryzen 3 processor because price to performance, Intel just can't match it. So we're going with the AMD Ryzen 3 1200 processor. And for the motherboard, we're going with the humble yet pretty reliable MSI A320M Pro motherboard. And for the RAM, we're using ADATA's XPG gaming RAM. It's 8 gigabytes and it's 2,400 megahertz. So should get the job done. And now for the graphic card, we're using the GTX 1060. It's 3 gigabytes GTX 1060, and it's gonna kick some ass. And for the power supply, we got a 450 watt Cooler Master standard power supply. And what else have we got? We got 1 terabyte of hard drive, 250 gigabytes of SSD, standard stuff. Nobody cares. Throw it away. And to spice this build up, we have some RGB fans and that case that's sitting back there. I'm gonna make the big reveal. It's from Ant Esports. It's a pretty cool company that I'm very respectful of. Now, we're not sponsored by them or nothing. I've just seen their stuff on their website and I'm just like, these guys are good. I'm gonna give these guys a shot, put them on my build and see how it goes. So we're using an Ant Esports case. So now you've seen all the parts, you get the idea of what's going on. Let's put all these together in that beautiful freaking case and let's make this build happen. Processor done, fan done, RAM done. What do we need now? The case to put everything in. So let's get the case. Right, so this is the Ant Esports case I was talking about. I have huge hopes for this guy. We need a fucking montage of this, don't we? We actually do. Let's do it.
And I pick out my targets like it's eeny, miny, mo. And my waves, they be riding, but they in a tiny boat. This my shit, I'm taking over, it's my time and they should know. They ain't shit, they can try, but they can't stop me once I go. And I pick out my targets like it's eeny, miny, mo. And my waves, they be riding, but they in a tiny boat. This my shit, I'm taking over, it's my time and they should know. They ain't shit, they can try, but they can't stop me once I go. Yeah.